welcome to the channel. The name is Guru. Today we do have the MTK device. So this device itself is Infinix device which has pin code on it. So I'm going to show you how to remove pin code or factory reset your device using the MTK client tool, and also you use the same MTK client tool to remove Google account after factory resetting your device. So let's head over to our computer. So on our Windows machine, we do have this tool called MTK client tool over here. The links will be in the description for you to download. So first, let's open it in the WinRAR file or folder. So we will open it in the WinRAR folder and run it inside the WinRAR folder. We are not going to extract the file, because if you do extract the file, you have to disable your antivirus or disable your Windows Defender or any kind of antivirus software you do have on your machine. So whilst we wait for the file to extract or run, make sure to subscribe to the channel. The name is Guru. Make sure to like the video, also turn on notification bell to get updated if you do subscribe to the channel. So now we have the software running, so it will open your browser for you to subscribe to their channel, the creator of this software channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. So let's close the browser. Now here we do have the tool over here, which is the MTK client tool version 5.2. so here we have many options over here, but we are going in for the factory reset. We do also have the erase FRP. We have many options over here, so but now we are going in for the factory reset. So click on the start. So when you click on the start, it will show you the procedure or the steps to factory reset your device. So here we do have it. Turn off your device first, hold the power and hold the volume up plus volume down key, then you plug in your USB cable. Now let's follow the instruction in the logs. So first, let's switch to our phone and make your USB cable ready. So here we do have our phone. Now press the volume up and volume down key, which is being shown in the instruction or the log box. Now connect your USB cable and wait for the computer to detect your device. Now we now have our device being detected, so wait for it to finish unlocking your device. So now you've successfully unlocked, been sent, format been done. Okay, so now let's turn on our device by holding the power key. For the first time, your phone may take a while to boot up. Since you've done factory reset, the device have to take its time and wipe all content on the device. So wait for it to finish booting up. So I'll be fast forwarding this part too. So now we've successfully bypassed or factory reset our device successfully. So let's head over and set up our device. So here is the second part of the MTK client tool, which you will be bypassing the Google account being locked on your MTK device. So first I'll show you this device do have an FRP or Google account being locked on it. So here you do have a lock on the top left corner showing you do have lock, and there is no skip button for us to skip this setup. So let's power off the device and head over to our computer once again. So if you do have your MTK client tool running, close it and reopen it. And now when you open your MTK client tool, go in for erase FRP. So here, this is the option we are going in for to remove the Google account being locked on our device. So click start. So as been said in the log box, we do have the instruction over there, which you do know how to do it by now. So let's proceed by connecting our device to the computer. So on our device, let's connect our USB cable by holding the volume down and up key. So now let's connect our USB cable. So now the device has detected our phone, so we wait for it to finish bypassing, and now it's been bypassed. So Now let's head over to our device and unplug the USB cable from the phone. Now let's power on the device by holding the power key. Now our device has been power on, so let's wait for it to boot up. Okay, so our device has been boot up, so let's proceed by setting up our device. So we do have the Google account being removed from our device, so when you get to the Wi-Fi menu, there will be a escape button now for us to skip without going through to connect to any Wi-Fi network, and also prompting us to sign in into our Google account. So let's proceed by setting up our device. So I'll be speeding up the setup. So here we do have our phone fully bypassed. So if you are new to the channel, as I said, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also give a like or thumbs up if this video helped you. Also, every software or all drivers for the MTK client tool will be in the description, so make sure to check the description for the download links. Also, I'll pin it in my comment section, so make sure to leave a comment as well. Also give a like to this video. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.